All right, you guys. So typically, I do like to start dinner early because my kids get home at 3, and the way that I was raised, like the way I grew up, my nanny always made sure that I would eat like around 5 to 6 p.m. Like that's just how it was, and I was perfectly fine with that. I got my snack afterwards and all that. So that's the way that I grew up, and that's the way my kids are growing up as well. So as soon as they get off the bus, do homework, they get a little snack from being at school. They get a little drink, and they eat around 5 to 6 o'clock. Mostly it's like 5:30. Like as lately it has been like 5:30, 5:40, because like I said, my body. Some days my body is good. Some days my body is not. So like I had to like kind of pace myself. But I do like to cook early so that dinner is done by that time. You know what I mean? So on the menu today, we're gonna have macaroni and cheese, some air fried chicken wingettes. That's my kids' favorite type of chicken. They like air fried chicken. So that's what we will be making today. And I'm gonna be making some spinach for me. My kids, they specifically like broccoli, so I'm making them broccoli, me spinach, and as well I'm gonna make some like biscuits, Pillsbury biscuits, and some mashed potatoes as well, and as well as the dessert. Sorry guys, the dessert as well, and I'll be showing you guys, the process of everything, me cooking. This is I'm not gonna say quick and easy meal. This is the big dinner. I do have 6 children. 6th one is in here. Sorry guys, like I'm just getting over like a cold, so the mucus is like still there. Yeah, and when you're pregnant, you can't take nothing. So sucks for me, but I'm getting better, way better. So today's gonna be like a bigger dinner because, like I said, I feel good today. So I want to eat. I want to eat a very nice big meal today, and that's what I want to do for my kids today and my husband. So that's what I'll be doing today. And let's get to cooking, guys. Let's get to guys, so now we are going to move on to dessert. I am doing the last touches for dinner. I just have to put the biscuits in the oven, and that is all. Everything else is basically going to be done. Like, I put the vegetables on the stove already, chicken's done, mac and cheese is done. Just gotta do the potatoes real fast, and I'm done. And it's like not even 3 o'clock yet. You see? I like to be ahead of time. That's just me. That's just me. Okay, so for the desserts, I am making like a strawberry type of dessert for the kids. So you do need cups. You can get bigger cups, but for me, I'm just using small little cups. They don't need too much because they're gonna want another snack anyway. So I got these little plastic cups. They're like a decent. They're like a small size, decent size. That's good enough for them. Like I said, 6 because I'm gonna be having one. I got this, it's strawberry, so I got strawberry pie filling. You guys will see everything that I do. I got this. And if you don't want to use that, you can actually use strawberry jam. I have actual strawberries I will be cutting up using as well. Vanilla extract and my cream cheese. Now, if you don't want to make your own, cheesecake filling, you can gladly just get the box. With me, I like to make my own. That's just me. I got my sugar, strawberry wafers, and golden Oreos. So, that's what you need for a snack. It's very simple. So I'm going to start doing it now. Cookies, the cheesecake filling, strawberry, and then you just repeat, and I put whipped cream on top.